Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to recover hacked Telegram account. If you're having trouble with your hacked Telegram account, follow the steps carefully. Open Google Chrome on your device. Search for the Telegram support website. Enter the website. On the first box, type in your complaint. For example, my Telegram account has been hacked. On the second box, enter your full name. In the next box, enter your email which you want the Telegram support team to contact you. Enter your mobile number associated to your account and click submit. You will receive an email notification with your account recovery steps. Once you recover your account, make sure you choose a strong password with at least an uppercase letter, numbers and special characters to secure your account and avoid losing it again. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.